Dear students, I'm going to explain sixth program. Let's look into the question. What is a sixth program? Write a PHP program to keep track of the number of visitors visiting the web page and to display this count of visitors with proper heading. A simple program and easy program. This is a PHP program, right? What they are expecting, a PHP program we have to write to keep the number of recordings of how many visitors they have visited this particular page. Display the number of visitors, the count those numbers. Every time when you visit that particular page, how many times the visitors has visited, the count that should be shown with the proper headings, right? What is PHP? The full form is Hypertext Preprocessor, right? PHP program. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, is a most popular open source scripting language we can say, and it is a server side programming language. JavaScript is a client side. PHP is a server side. Client side and server side scripting. What is the difference? The client side means JavaScript as an example you can take. Server side, PHP is an example. That is in the client side, it is executed on the client browser. Server side, it is executed on the web server, right? The coding, whatever we take, the code and all is not hidden in the JavaScript that is in the client side, but here it is hidden code will be there, right? The server-side scripting, this PHP server-side scripting, what I say, that cannot be manipulate the HTML or you can say the DOM of the page in the client browser. You can do it in the server because it is executed on the web server, right? The client side cannot access the resources on the web server because it is executed on the client browser. Whatever the resource is there, the client side cannot access the resources on the web server. Server side can access the resources on the web server, correct? Yes, few differences are there. You can give here the difference of the web, that is client-side scripting and the server-side scripting coming to the PHP. Now we are talking about the PHP program. What you have to understand, the PHP full form is Hypertext Preprocessor. P is a silent, hypertext. From here you have to think PHP. H is hypertext. Here inside it is embedded with the P, so we have taken PHP, but we will mention it as a hypertext preprocessor, a server-side scripting, right? Let's look into the program. And when we are talking about the PHP, the whatever the syntax we usually will look into the PHP programs, which is most of the syntax has been borrowed from other languages, especially with a C we can say such of one of the language, other languages it will borrow such languages, for example C we can take, right? And when it comes to this one, PHP is an HTML embedded web scripting language you can say, right? Whenever we are looking into the PHP, one more we have to understand the PHP is all while creating the database driven websites and all, the more web pages will be created with the help of the PHP. I'll repeat, the PHP is being used for creating the database driven websites. Okay, these are the few points whenever the PHP comes to your mind you have to remember. Coming to the program, PHP, it will start with the angular brace and the question mark and the PHP. Print H3, refresh page H3. The refresh page is the heading we have given H3. We have taken not an issue H2, H1 you can take it. And dollar name is equal to counter.txt. As syntax, please do remember dollar name is equal to counter.txt, the file. What is this file? Please understand this. A file open, F open, we already know. F open function opens a file, or we say that the URL, F open, the syntax is the file name, mode, right? You're going to mention mandatorily the file name and what mode it is. And if you look into the fopen function syntax, you'll get the include path and the context and all. That's not mandatory. but you have to remember fopen wherever it comes, the file name should be there and the what mode it is opened, right? $file, and what is this? Fopen, and what is this? File name and the mode. What is R? Read only. R plus is read write. Write only means W. A means append at the end of the file, right? So those things are the few things which you know you have learned in a C language. That's why I said PHP will borrow the coding from other languages. As we are going using with the C, such as C, you can mention. fscanf. We know that fscanf we have already studied, printf we have studied, the same way it will work. What is the syntax of fprintf? fscanf. Please do remember which will specify fprintf means whatever there it will print. Like a stream fprintf if you take it. Yeah, I'll come back to this fscanf. Let's finish off fprintf. fprintf, what is this? File name, which will specifies where the output or where you have to write the thing, right? And the format, percentage d, which will specify the integers, dollar, argument you need to specify. Come back to this fscanf. Hits, number of hits you are counting, the number of refreshing page, the hits means how many times the person has visited, right? File name, that is specifying the file name is mandatory. Sign decimal number, whatever this is, that is percentage d. Percentage means we have specified with some, means what is the values, right? So it is internally it is taking. In printf, externally it will showcase that. So every time the hits should increase. This what we have taken in a dollar hits, that is file scanf, a file name and the number count it has to display. Once after that, once again, yeah, once after that, what you have to do? A file you are closing. What file you are closing? Whichever you have opened the file, right? That, and hits will be increasing. Then open, fopen. What is the syntax? We have studied file name and the mode. Now the write mode. Whatever you have read, you need to write, right? And you have to print that particular thing, right? That's what given in the write mode you have open, and you're going to write that particular file name and what is the percentage means the count, and you are specifying the hit zero means how much count it is, and you are closing that particular file. That's it. First you are reading, you are opening the program, and you are reading that, and then you are taking the hits counts, you are increasing the number of counts whenever the visitors visit, that count you are taking and you are writing it in. Fopen file name and the mode is write. W means write only. Then hits, then you are closing the particular range. And in the print, total number of views, $hits, it will give you the output, and you need to close the question mark and the angular, that is, you can see here you are closing this PHP, right? And the total refresh page, how many page it will display, that many. So what you have to remember, fopen function opens the file. Fopen, the syntax is file name and the mode will be there. And what is file name? I mean, it will specify the name, all right, to open. $hits is equal to fscanf dollar file and percentage d, of to remember specifying the file name and the decimal number. fprintf, which will specify where to locate and what is the format and argument, what argument you have taken. Only these three, if you remember, then you are done with the 6th program. Hope it is understood. Thank you.